We climb the path through misty air. The mountain's peak is waiting there. A dragon's home, both bold and grand, hidden high above the land. The trail is steep, the rocks are tall, but brave young hearts don't fear the fall. We march together step by step, with maps and snacks the kids have kept.
Look at the colors.
A rushing stream, a waterfall bright, splashes rainbows in the light. We laugh and jump from stone to stone. Adventure makes us feel at home. Up ahead, the caves appear. Echoes whisper, dragons near.
When I was young,
Inside with
I
lanterns
guarded
glow,
the
what
stars
mysteries
and
will the mountain show?
There's one more thing to see. This is my view
A gentle
every
rumble
evening.
shakes the ground. A puff of smoke comes
Every
swirling
star
round.
has a
But when we see him smiles, we
and
find
every heart can find its
the
light.
dragon's face
It's
is
time for
sweet
you to go home.
and kind. His scales are green with sparks of gold. His eyes are wise yet never cold. He greets us warmly, climb
Climbed with
inside.
bravery.
I'll share my treasures far and
We'll never forget him.
wide. He shows us gems that gleam so bright, and tales of stars that fill the night. He teaches songs of ancient flame and games that dragons love to play. By the fire we sit and cheer. He roasts marshmallows soft and clear. The chocolate melts, the crackers crunch. We share a tasty dragon lunch. The mountain hums with
And it was
magic
massive,
deep, a
bigger than
place
the
of
whole
stories
village.
we
And
will
the
keep.
caves glowed
We
with
hug the
light,
dragon,
pure
bold
magic.
yet sweet, and promise soon again to. A rusty bike stood by the gate, dreaming big, it not long wait for one fine night. Beneath the moon, it sprouted wings, a magic boon. The child climbed on, both wide-eyed, and felt the pedals start to glide. The tires spun, the wings took flight, the bicycle soared into the night. It flapped above the village square, with starlight twinkling everywhere. The rooftops shrank, the clouds grew near. The child let out a joyful cheer. They swooped through skies of velvet blue, past silver stars and sparkles too. The world below looked small and round, a patchwork quilt upon the ground. They soared by owls with wings outspread, who blinked in wonder overhead. The bike went faster, strong and free, as children dreamed of where they'd be. Through rainbow rings the bicycle flew, with morning's blush of rosy hue. It carried songs on breezes sweet, a melody in each heartbeat. The child let go one hand to wave at dolphins dancing through a wave. For even oceans roll so high when magic wheels touched midnight sky. The bike became a comet bright, its wheels spat sparks of golden light. It looped the moon, it kissed the stars, it zipped past Venus, Mars, and Mars. At last the eastern sky turned pale, the wings grew tired, began to fail. The child rode home both safe and sound, the bike returned to solid ground. Now every night magic
islands.
wings.
It's
And
brilliant.
children know when eyes they close, the sky's a road where adventure
Is
goes.
no longer unreachable. With bicycles, Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water.
Jack and Jill went up the hill, carrying buckets steady and still. They skipped along with cheerful song. The climb was steep but not too long. The sun was shining warm and bright. Birds were soaring in their flight. Flowers swayed with colors bold. Stories waiting to be told. Jack tripped over a little stone, tumbled down with a funny groan. Jill came running fast and true. Don't you worry, I'll help you. Up he stood with a tiny bruise, smiled at Jill, I've nothing to lose. Together, laughing hand in hand, they marched along to fetch the can. At
got
the
you, Jack.
top, the water shone, sparkling like a crystal throne. They dipped their buckets filled with cheer, cool fresh
It
water,
was so
pure
heavy
and
coming
clear.
back down, but we did it.
Oh, on the way down they hummed a tune. Let's come back tomorrow noon. The steps were careful,
Flowers
slow
are so
and
pretty
neat,
up here.
dancing softly
keep
with
going.
their feet. But
Jill,
oh,
look,
the
a snowshoe
hill
hare.
was
Wow,
steep
he's so
again.
fluffy. Look
Jack
at his nose
slipped
twitch.
once more. Oh, not again! Jill was steady, kind and bright. She pulled him up with all her might. They laughed so hard they couldn't stop, rolling gently with a hop. Grass so soft, the sky so blue.
Wait, look at us go.
Every tumble felt
Faster,
brand new.
Look at the tree, Jill. It's sparkling.
Back at home they shared the
Jack,
tale
it's
of climbing
beautiful.
hills, both steep and frail. Though we stumble, though we fall, together we can stand up tall. So Jack and Jill still climb each day, singing
got the
songs
biggest
along
one.
the
Look how
way.
much water is
Buckets
left.
swinging, smiles so wide,
Put up a
best
huge
of
fight
friends,
and pulled it out. Jack and
side
Jill
by
went
side.
to fetch a pail of water. Hooray! Look at the dolphins.
Whale carries boats on
Look
its
at the
back
fish jumping.
across the sea along the track,
It's absolutely
with
brilliant,
gentle waves and
This
songs
marvelous,
so
Reginald.
deep.
Absolutely delightful.
It
Mabel.
rocks the sailors fast asleep.
Look at the fish. They're
Its
sparkling.
blowhole sprays a fountain
It's
high.
absolutely brilliant, isn't it?
Rainbow colors paint the sky. Seagulls cheer and dolphins
Look
play,
at them jump. Absolutely brilliant.
guiding
This is
ships
amazing.
along the way.
Whee, this is brilliant.
The ferry hums
Down
a
there.
steady tune, gliding under sun and moon. Children laugh from
absolutely
sails
brilliant.
of white, waving hands in
Look
pure
how the
delight.
dolphins glow.
Tugboats ride with tiny cheer. Thank you, whale, for
Look at the
bringing me.
waves.
Cargo stacked and passengers
brilliant.
too.
Look at the colours.
Sail with
absolutely
joy on
brilliant.
oceans blue.
The whale is smiling.
Coral reefs all shine below as the gentle currents flow.
Look at the lights. They're everywhere.
Turtles
like the
peek
stars
with smiling
fell
face, joining in the sea-bound race. The whales sing songs both low and grand that echo far across the sand. Every boat
Look how
rocks
fast the
side
dolphins
to
are going.
side,
Hip, hip, hooray. Hip, hip, hooray.
moving with the ocean's tide. Clouds
massive
drip
whale.
soft and skies so
Singing.
high.
And the dolphins are dancing
Whale
along. It's
keeps
brilliant.
ferrying with
Look at
pride.
that. It's brilliant. Hooray for the whale.
Fish all twinkle silver bright,
Look at the dolphins. They're
shining
so close.
in the soft moonlight.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. Look at the dolphins. They're brilliant.
This is absolutely smashing!
Woohoo! Look,
Lanterns glow as stars appear,
goodbye, whale.
That was
guiding
brilliant.
travelers with
Yes, yes, yes. I'll take care. Yes, yes,
Do you
yes.
want to
School
go
is cool.
to school? Yes, 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 school is cool. Pack your bag and wear your shoes. Learning fun, there's no
Yes,
excuse.
yes,
Do you
yes.
want to
Nice
brush
and
your
neat.
teeth? Yes, 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 nice and neat. Shiny smiles and fresh all day. Ready now,
yes,
hip
yes.
hip
It feels so
hooray! Do you
good.
want to comb your hair?
Yes,
Yes, yes, yes, I'll take
I'll take
care.
care.
Neat and tidy, looking fine. Off to school, it's learning time. Do you want to eat your food? Yes, 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 it feels so good. Healthy breakfast makes me strong. Now I'm ready all day long. Do you want to ride the bus? Yes, 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 it's fun for us. Wheels go round and voices cheer. School time's here! School time's here! Do you want to greet your friends? Yes, 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 the fun never ends. Smiles and hugs, good morning, hey. Let's all learn and laugh today. Do you want to read and write? Yes, 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 from morning light. Letters, numbers, colors too. Every day there's something new. Do you want to sing and play? Yes, 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 hooray, hooray. Clap your hands and spin around. School is where the fun is found. Do you want to eat your lunch?
Yes, yes,
yes,
yes.
yes, yes, we
Munch
munch
and
and crunch. Sharing food with friends so sweet. Tasty meals we love to eat. Do you want to learn
Yes,
all day?
yes,
yes, yes, yes, hip hip hooray. When the school bell rings goodbye, wave your hands and reach the sky. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yes, yes, yes. School is cool.
A factory hums with brushes neat, where kiwis roll with fuzzy feet. They laugh, our juice will splash today into the paints where colors play. Green juice flows in rivers bright, it glows beneath the lamp of light. It swirls in pots with gentle cheer, and paints appear in jars so clear. The brushes dip, the canvases glow, the paints all shimmer soft and slow. The kiwis grin, we've made it true, a world of green for kids to do. The walls are bright with leafy hue, the skies are painted ocean blue. The rabbits paint, the foxes draw with brushes made from kiwi straw. The children laugh with colors wide, their hands all splash with greeny pride. They swirl the paints on paper fair and draw bright gardens everywhere.
Look at the green sparkles. Wow, look at them glow. I got one. Keep going, catch the
The
green
smell
one.
is fresh of orchard lands, of kiwi fields and farmer hands. The paints all glow with juicy might, like emerald stars in morning light. The palettes shine, the brushes sing, the paint pots dance in sparkling ring. The kiwis hum, our job is done. We've made green joy for everyone. The night rolls in, the paints still glow like lantern lights in gentle row. They shimmer soft, they shine so true, a gift of
There we are,
green
one
for
bottle of
all
radiant
to
sunshine
view.
just for you.
The canvas is dry with leafy song. The colors stay the whole night long. They tell the tale of kiwi cheer, a painted dream for all to hear. So if you find a color bright that glows like grass in morning light, it may have come from juice that plays in Kiwi Paint Works magic way.